When choosing a roof for your home or commercial building, metal is a smart choice. Not only does this material last for a long time, but it is also incredibly low maintenance, making it the ideal choice for a wide range of applications. In addition, they come in a variety of colors and styles available. Which means there are many options for your home or business. It's also more affordable than traditional wood materials, giving you exceptional value and a great return on your investment. Metal can increase the value of your home, as it is a high-quality, energy-efficient material that won't break easily or require costly maintenance. And because they can withstand high temperatures, metal roofs can help keep your home cooler, saving you money on energy bills. EIR provides a huge variety of colors, textures, and designs, making it a great choice for homeowners looking to increase their home's curb appeal and value. Choosing the right roofing material can be challenging, but metal is a great option for commercial and residential properties. This material can withstand the weather conditions of Idaho's 3 distinct seasons, meaning it will protect your home from wildfires and other natural disasters. Its durability and aesthetic appeal are just as impressive. Whether you're looking for residential or commercial metal roofing for your Boise home, metal can help make your home more energy efficient.